How to log in into Hang Seng Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Hang Seng Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in hangseng.com and press enter. Once you are on the Hang Seng Bank homepage, look for the personal eBanking section at the top right corner of the log on section. You will be taken to the login page. Here you will need to enter your username and password in the respective fields. Tap on the username first and tap on the continue. Once you have filled up your details, tap on the login button. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Hang Seng Bank online banking account. Now you can manage your account, view your statements and make transactions. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Hang Seng Bank online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.